Now we have to find the inverse of a matrix of order 3. We have to take the example 2 0 minus 1 5 1 0 0 1 3. First of all, this matrix can be written as I into A, that means 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 1 into A. Here the matrix A is of 3 order, therefore I should be of 3 order. And now we have to convert this left hand side matrix into identity matrix to make it 1. To make it 1, first of all we have to make it 1, but now here we have to use this operation in R2 minus 2R1. By using this, when we have to multiply it by minus 2, it becomes minus 4 plus 5, that is equal to 1. This 2 0 1 first row as it is. In second row you will get 1. Here we have 0 0 into minus 2 0 minus 2 0 plus 1, that means you will get 1, and minus 1 into minus 2 plus 2 plus 0, you will get 2. And third row as it is 0 1 3, and now that is equal to first row as it is 1 0 0. Now in second row multiply this 1 by minus 2 plus 1 0, you will get minus 2 1 and 0. These elements will be not changed because here we have 0 0. Third row as it is 0 0 1 into A. Is it clear? And now we have to make it 1. Now we can interchange R1 interchanging with R2, and therefore it becomes 1 1 2 2 0 minus 1, and here 0 1 3. The same operation we apply here. The second row, that is minus 2 1 0 in the first row, 1 0 0 0 0 1 into A. Because the same operation we apply in the left hand side, we have to also apply in the right hand side. That means this second row in the first row place, and first row in place of second row. Is it clear? And now we have to make it 0. To make it 0, we have to apply this operation in R2 minus 2R1, because 1 is there, 1 multiplied with minus 2 plus 2, it becomes 0, and therefore 1 1 2, now it becomes 0. Now multiply with minus 2 plus 0, that means minus 2, and here 2 into minus 2 minus 4 minus 1, that means minus 5. And third row as it is 0 1 3, that is equal to the same operation we apply here. Minus 2 into minus 2 plus 4 plus 1 5, that is in the second row element. First row as it is minus 2 1 0, and now in second row it becomes 5. Now multiply with minus 2 plus 0 minus 2, and then we have 0. Third row as it is 0 0 1 into A. Is it clear? Now we have to turn off this. We have to make it 1. To make it 1, either we can interchange this one. There will be no change because 0 0 is there. We can interchange R2 interchanging with R3. Also we can do this divide by minus 2. When we divide by minus 2, you will get 1. Here you will get the fraction. Therefore, instead of doing that, we have to interchange R2 into R3. And now we have first row as it is 1, 1, 2, 0, 1, 3, the elements of third row in the second row, and the element of second row in the third row. The same operation we have to apply here. -2, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, and 5, -2, 0 into A. Is it clear? And now this will becomes 1, and now the turn is there. We have to make it 0. That means in R3 we can apply R3 plus 2R2. We use the second row. -2 is there, therefore we have to multiply this second row by 2. Plus 2. Then plus 2 minus 2, then it becomes 0. And now we can write this as first row element as it is 1, 1, 2. Second as it is 0, 1, 3. And now we have to change in the third row 0, -2 plus 2, 0, and here 3 is there, 3 into 2, 6, 6 minus 5, that means 1. That is equal to -2, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1. And now again we have to apply the same operation. 0 into 2, 0 plus 5, that means 5. 2 into 0, 0 minus 2, that means -2. And here 1 into 2, 2, 2 plus 0, that means 2 into A. Is it clear? And now after this we have this element that is already 1. If it is not 1, then we can divide by the number. Which number is there? We divide by the same number. And now the next term is this. We have to convert into 0. And therefore we have to apply in R2 minus 3 R3. To make it 0, we have to use this third row element.